So, hi, we're in Wizer-me, and I've not done this yet, and our condolences go out to Debbie. She's just lost her mom. So I'm going to try and figure this out with you, and I'm going to narrate me going through it. So we're going to join for free, and I'm a teacher, and I'm going to sign up with my Google account. And yes, that's me. And then what I'd like to do is I'd like to try and see if I can make a unit. Let's see how we do this. My name is Ms. I teach English to high school. I live in Israel. Okay, done. Okay, so now it should open up my worksheets. Okay, so Debbie was going to teach us to do a lot of things for her class, but let me try and create a worksheet. Okay, so I'm creating a worksheet, and let's see what it's going to let me do. Select a design. Notebook. And I like pink. All right, and the title is going to be Read for the Planet. Okay, so then I'm going to save that. Okay, no. Specify one grade. Okay, so I'm going to do, okay, you're bothering me. Go away. Clear all. Okay, I'm going to work on 10th grade. It's going to be for 9th and 10th and 11th and 12th. Maybe 10th, 11th, and 12th. And worksheet subjects are going to be biology and English learning arts. Okay, so I created it. Now I'm going to scroll down from there and I'm going to add a task. So I want to add a text. So I'm going to first add, let's see, a table. I want to put in the table, the title of the table is vocabulary, and the instructions are find these words in the text and highlight them. Make sure you know what they mean in context. Okay, and I can also record the instructions. Oh, let's try that. Simply click on the button and fire away. Find these words in the text and highlight them. Make sure you know what they mean in context. Okay, upload. That was easy. Now, I have 2 rows and 3 columns. It's going to be a word bank. I don't need a header row. And it's going to be words. So, planet and climate and survival and change and environment and disease. Okay. Key answers. Let's see what that means. I'm not 100% sure what that means. It's not letting me type anything. So let's do done and see what happens. Okay. That's one task. Okay. Then I want to put in a video. So the video, so the title of the video is going to be David Attenborough. Oh, I didn't spell that right. Oh, maybe I did. Talks about the planet. Watch this video and answer the questions below. Okay. And now I'm going to upload now to record video instructions. No, I don't want to do that. Escape. And watch this video. So I guess I need, oh, here's the YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to go up here into YouTube. David Attenborough, climate change. No, I like the one on planet Earth better. Planet Earth. Oh, he has another one. Okay. And I'm going to click on, sorry, my internet is a bit slow. I think we're going to work on ocean impact of global weather. So I'm going to pause that for a minute and take the URL and then go here and put in this link. And then I'm going to do done. Oh, it did it. Haha, that's so cool. Okay, now I'm going to do multiple choice questions. And these are the questions for the movie. Enter question for the student. What does David Attenborough think? Oops. Attenborough think about climate change? Voice. What does David Attenborough think about climate change? This is really cool. And then the different answers. He thinks it is a positive part of the world. Enter answer. He believes we must stop climate change. He wants polar bears to die out. I don't want to add another answer. What is differentiate? No, that doesn't work. Select the correct one. That's the correct one. Done. Okay. Now we're going to put in a text. This is is a text question, and the question is, please write the narrator's 2 main points in the video. Please write the narrator's 2 main points in the video. Please write the narrator's 2 main points in the video. Okay, I'm going to fix that. Upload. And then, please wait. And then, done. Okay, review. Save your changes. Oh, I didn't do that. Save your changes. Unsaved changes might be lost. Keep editing. How do I save? Oh, save up here in the corner. Saved. Okay, review. This is what it looks like now. Starts up at the top and it's called Read the Planet. And then it has vocabulary. And then watch this video. And then what does he think about it? And I can choose one. Okay, now I want to assign to learners via link, create assignment. Okay, make my worksheet public, create assignment. The name is Read for the Planet 1, number 1. And assign to students, I take the link, copy the URL, so I copy it, okay. And then I want to create another one. Then I want to go into my WhatsApp and I want to find Melissa and I want to send Melissa the link. And what is it going to do now? It's just a link. Okay. Oh, okay. And then I'm going to write to Melissa, please go into this link and answer questions. And I'm going to stop the video and see how I can get your answers. Hang on. You know what? Let's just do it together for a minute. Okay. So I don't want to do that anymore. I assigned to my learners. Oh, that's what I just did. And now I'm going to wait, leave site. No, I don't want to print. I want answers. I want to leave the site. Let's see. It's all saved. I saved it already. So let's see what happens. Answers. Now what is it doing? Student answers. It'll be here when they hand in their assignments. Okay. Okay. I sent this to Adele and Melissa. And I'm looking now, and they both did it. And I could search here for a name. The assignment is called Read for the Planet number 1. Okay, they spent 3 minutes on it. Find the thing. Okay, this is Adele's answers. Watch this video. All right. He thinks it's a positive part of the world, which is not the correct answer, Adele. And let's see if we can see Melissa's answers. Now I can see Melissa's answers. When Debbie did this, she also had a self-check one, which I'm going to have her check. Here, add general feedback for the student. Okay, Melissa, I think you did great. Hope you enjoyed the task. Judy. Okay, that's my feedback. How do I send that? Oh, I could also record my feedback. Okay. And then, how do I do this? Waiting, oh, she's waiting for feedback. Okay. And then I